Ask why long enough, and the question breaks.
Your attention becomes fragmented. Your instinct becomes outsourced. Your intuition becomes obsolete.
When algorithms can predict your choices before you make them,
Predictive capture and behavior modification are now part of your daily life.
You think you're choosing, but your feelings now arrive pre-shaped.
Platform governance and censorship now care and model decisions made by users. This is the new tower architecture, subtle and unseen, very real.
Why are you doing this? We talked about this. Just give me an hour, please, just an hour of peace.
The ancients fought demons. Their bodies were possessed. We fight demons that possess our rhythms of the mind.
The cognition of the hybrid mind slowly merges with the system.
Fear and faith demand the same thing: belief without proof.
The feudal lords of the past exploited bodies. The feudal lords of today exploit attention, identity, and cognition.
Distraction is not an accident. It is a harvest. Your impulses are mined for prediction and profit.
The Tao. Omnia omnibus.